Hey, it's Brittany Britannia718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see videos from me. So I know it's been a long time. Hey y'all, and I'm sorry, I apologize deeply, but y'all know what we've been going through. Part of me has been thinking about vlogging like my day, although it may not be much, but sometimes there are things I just want to pick up a camera and wish I could just talk to y'all about. And I think I'm going to start vlogging, so let me know if you're interested in that, because you know that'll be something different for your girl. But I think I might be down to do that. This way y'all can see clips of the shit that I be thinking and going through and don't always share, and that I want to share. It's been 11 years and 3 months now that I've been locked. And in case you couldn't hear, there was some theme music playing in my head, just, you know, just get it. But yes, 11 years and 3 months, guys. My hair is like 40 inches long now. It's like I've passed butt crack. I'm gonna insert a picture that I posted on my Instagram a couple weeks ago, maybe or last month or so you guys can see just where I'm talking about, where my hair has reached. So I'm excited. I know how much longer you're gonna continue to grow your hair. I'm not sure right now. We just going with it. You know, we gonna see what happens. It's not terrible. Yes, it can get a little bit out of my way sometimes, or in my way, sorry, sometimes, but I'm not quite ready to cut it. So we'll see how that goes. But yes, y'all, I got my hair retightened last Sunday. It's been a week now. Today's Sunday. Y'all, have y'all days been a blur? Because mine, I don't be knowing what day of the week it is ever since we've been home. So yeah, but yes, it's been a week since I got my hair retightened. Y'all, let's talk about these grays. Do y'all see them? Y'all see them? Yeah. And y'all, my edges, first of all, I never really had any issues with my edges. It's just like I had, like, you know, the baby antenna locks, and they've been staying, because here's what your girl has been having to do. So whenever I wash my hair now, I'm back to braiding and banding the front section only. And it's not like the whole front, it's just like where I have, like I told y'all before, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is like a short lock here. And they've been staying, but like I said, when I'm washing my hair, I need to braid it and band it to keep the lock in place until at least, you know, the front gets locked, and then I won't be having those issues anymore. I've been using my length restoration oil in my hair. That's been going pretty well. It smells so good. It is, I just love it. A lot of people have been using it and they've been having good experiences with it too. I don't have a website yet, y'all, because I'm working on it, but if y'all follow me on Facebook and Instagram, y'all can see the pictures of people who have been using it and their reviews, and can let you know how to buy it. Okay, so first things first, here's my bottle. I'll put up a closer picture so you guys can see it, but it's a 2-ounce bottle. A little bit goes a long way, trust me. Like, if you are interested, like a little bit goes a long way. But if you are allergic to any essential oils, my oil wouldn't be the best option for you. So just letting y'all know that ahead of time. Yeah, guys, I have like a oil now. But anyhow, that's just a quick update about your girl and my hair and things like that. I hope y'all are doing well. I miss you guys. You know, I'm always on Instagram though. Always on Instagram. Moderately on Facebook, but always on Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not. The information will be somewhere somewhere on this screen, I'm not sure, but yes, definitely check me out. Let me know down below, like, how y'all doing. Have y'all been maintaining your hair yourselves during this quarantine? How long has it been since y'all last retightening? And just say hi. Tell me something good that's been going on for y'all. Any good news. I would love to hear some good news. Yes, guys, be sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, tell your mom and them I said to subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Later.